I'm Rosemarie Bogdan. I'm a partner with the firm. I actually started with the firm in 1994, became a partner of the firm in 2000, and I am involved in all aspects of Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti from the beginning. I think life is about passions, and I think when you find those things that you're passionate about, whether it's 1, 2, or 3 things, or 4 or 5, you should pour yourself into your passions. And one of my passions is Martin, Harding, Mazzotti, and representing people who have been harmed by no fault of their own. I think what all attorneys who are practicing in this area need to keep in mind is that it's not their case, it's the client's case. You have the privilege of representing that person, but it's not your case as the attorney, it's the client's case. And as long as the focus is always on the client and understanding that you have the privilege to represent them, then your level of representation of that client just goes up. I think by doing a good job for a client and really knowing the client and understanding the client, you do develop a relationship with them. And my hope is for any client I've ever represented that they would feel like they could pick up the phone and just call me and ask me a question that they have, about any issue that's come up in their life since. And I would say, just based on my experience representing people for 25 years, that happens more often than not. One of the key qualities that we're looking for are team members who are focused on individual people, who are going to embrace that responsibility and make sure that they're good communicators and always return client phone calls, answer questions. If they can't answer the question, route that to the lawyer so the lawyer will get back to them or provide an answer to the question. One of our things at Martin, Harding, Mazzotti is we don't want any client's call to ever go unreturned as quickly as possible. So I say we are client-centric, because without the clients, there is no firm.